Hi guys! So, ang ganda ng view, no? So, guess where I am right now? Kung nasaan akong unit ngayon. So, bale, eto na yun. Papakita ko na sa inyo guys. So, tada! Yes, nandito ako ngayon sa Hello Kitty Pretty and Pink. And, discuss ko sa inyo mamaya. Pakita ko yung features ng staycation unit na to. So, pagpasok nyo, pagsara nyo ng pinto, eto siya. Airbnb Pretty and Pink. No? Ayan. Bale, meron dito mga kailangan na basahin ng guest natin. And then, eto, yung switch natin for electricity, of course. And ito, kailangan tong basahin ng mga guest natin. So, this area, pwedeng mag-check ng height yung ating guest, no? And, ito yung bathroom. Meron din notes ulit dito sa side na to. And then, ito yung ating kitchen area. The kitchen cabinet. Then, the sink. Ito yung sink natin. Of course, lahat Hello Kitty. Almost everything is Hello Kitty and in pink color. So, ayan. Ang cute niya, guys. Life is better after coffee. You can make your coffee here. No? Toast your bread here. We have the kitchen tissue here. And then, nandito din yung light and fan remote. Just take note of every notes na nakadikit so you can understand how to use everything. No? So, for the bathroom, let's check. So, wow. That is the bathroom. Bathroom. Floor mat. Ito, curtain. Bathroom curtain. Okay. Then, ayan. We have here plastic for our then, everything is here. Mga kailangan nyo. Tissue. We have this. So cute, no? Pag may kailangan tayong mga mini-mini things na isasampay. But, be reminded of the notes. Again. Do not flush toilet paper. We have towel. The hair blower in here. And additional needs, no?